Morning, everyone. It is Christmas Eve right now. I had to run to town with my dad and pick up a present for Chris. It was a last minute gift. And I went up to my parents' house and I wrapped it with my brother's little daughter. Let me show you the box. And it's right there. Right there. Yeah. Chris is in the girls' room with the girls right now, wrapping my presents that they got me. And yeah, I'm going to make some Christmas sausage. So you guys seen that vlog of my dad and mom and I making Christmas sausage. Well, I'm gonna fry some up right now because I want some. And yeah, I gotta edit 2 vlogs, get them edited and uploaded. And then tonight we are going to have my sister and her husband, my niece and her fiance and their 2 kids, and my other 2 nieces and my nephew over tonight. And we're gonna be doing like a Secret Santa party. It's not like, we are doing a Secret Santa party. Look at Bella. Oh, did she grab a present? Let's go check. Yeah, look, she has a present. Whose is this? Let's see. Let's see whose this is. This is to Tayton from Grandma and Grandpa. I am in like a lot of pain right now. My hip is still really killing me. Chris put some BioFreeze on it. I took a couple ibuprofen. I'm hoping that it'll be able to get better. I'm going to edit and upload the 2 vlogs, and then I need to dye my hair and get ready for the party tonight. So let's make some food because I'm hungry. Okay, so it is many hours later. I was cleaning the house. I got the house pretty clean. Chris has been working on our bedroom. I had to go drop the kids off with their grandma because they're at church right now. And yeah, Chris is just, right now, he's making the taco. We're making tacos. Or he's making tacos. We're gonna have tacos tonight, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And then we're gonna wait for everyone to show up. I still have to wrap the presents for Secret Santa, and then I think that's it, right, hun?
Yeah. As far as I know, you didn't. There weren't any treats or anything you want to make, right?
No, the treats are the ones I bought from Walmart.
Yeah, that's good. Walmart should pitch in once in a while.
He's wearing his Married 21 shirt, and mine says just.
See? And then do me. What's mine say? Dude, what's mine say?
Married 21.
You're supposed to say, what's mine say, dude?
Oh. Yeah, and then I got all of these.
Hey, get this on camera. Get this on camera. He wants to go. He's ready to do it. He's ready to do it. Pow, 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 pow. He wins.
Okay. So I got all of these treats for tonight. I don't know what they all are.
Did you get healthy treats like veggie straws and...
Nope.
Negative go shredder.
I got all chocolate, unhealthy stuff. Okay, so he's gonna finish making the food. I'm gonna finish cleaning our bedroom.
How long is it going to take you to wrap all the presents?
Not long.
So explain that to me. That's just for the kids, right?
Yeah, all the kids' names are in a bucket. They draw a name. Whosever name they get is the person they have to buy a present for. The adults did not do it. We should have did it. We should have did like a white elephant one. What is a white elephant gift?
It's a gag gift. It's like Secret Santa, but it's funny. So like you give somebody oh, the old classic lump of coal.
I don't know. But yeah, maybe next year we'll have to do that. That sounds like fun.
Oh, it's a real. Woo.
Let me show you our tree. Let me plug it in and then I'll show you guys our tree. So there's the tree. There's all the presents. We have some presents over here. I still need to do the Santa ones. We'll do that tonight after the kids go to bed. But yeah, and then I have to take some of these down because they're like stacked up pretty high. And then there's presents behind that I just need to put them in the front here. I didn't want to do that at the beginning, you know, because I don't want it to come out too far because that little girl, that little Bella, gets into everything, don't you? Oh, and you guys missed it. She got a bath today. Mama gave you her first little bath and she hated it. She did not like it at all. No, she was scared. She was very scared. I need to get stuff done because I also have to get my makeup on and get my hair done because I just took a shower. And yeah, so let's go get stuff done. Oh, it's so big!
Renee, you want to open this?
Yeah, make sure they fit
Just like me, that's why I love her.
Why?
Because she picks
Maddie?
just like me.
Was it Maddie?
Maddie!
No.
You pick all the boys.
Mom. Meg, wait, what? Wait, no. Whose turn is it? Yes. Yes. Mom, who had me?
Wait,
We find out at the end, honey.
Open it up! Open it up!
Follow Pure Romance by Patience.
Who got it for you?
And subscribe.
Nico.
Wait, Nico, you do turn thing. It's not quite her age yet.
Where's the holder?
I threw it away.
Is she sleeping?
Tell us.
Let me grab the glasses.
Tell us.
I have my phone. Hey,
Okay, so it is Christmas Eve. My sister and my niece and them, they all left.
Guys, Bella's humping the bear.
Bella, no!
Bella was like getting into it.
So right now, as tradition, every year since I was a little kid, we have always watched Christmas Vacation as a family. So that is what we're about to do.
You're on the ace game.
My tradition was we always watched A Christmas Story because we would have Christmas at my grandma's
Put it back down. Yeah.
on Christmas Eve, and it was on for 24 hours on TBS.
Are you filming the movie?
Mama loves you. It's like, what do you want? What do you want? You want to hang out? You want a party?
Okay. Chris is getting ready for bed. Okay, so it is Christmas Eve night. We just got done watching a movie and we are gonna go to bed and wait and see what Santa brings us. I'm gonna close this vlog and we will see you guys tomorrow on Christmas. Bye!